Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a new desktop application that I developed inside a desktop framework of Python which is called as Kivy. Kivy guys, basically it's a trendy framework of Python which allows you to build out a cross-platform desktop GUI application. So I built basically a YouTube video thumbnail downloader. If I show you the application itself, you will see this as you load the script right here. You will be prompting to enter the video URL of whichever video you want to download the thumbnail for. Let's suppose I want to download the thumbnail for this video. I can right click, copy link address, simply paste the link here, click display thumbnails. So what it will do guys, it will generate the links here for how many videos you want to. You can download the thumbnail in default quality, medium quality, high definition, standard quality and maximum resolution. So let's suppose I want to click maximum resolution. As I click this, inside your root directory, all the thumbnails will be downloaded. You will see this is a standard quality, high definition quality, maximum resolution and medium quality. You can see that standard quality. This is the high quality here, the default one. This is standard quality. So you can see that guys how easy it is. Basically you pick the link here and simply copy this inside your Kivy desktop app. Simply right click, click display thumbnails. So once again you will see the thumbnail of the video will be grabbed here and it will be stored inside your root directory wherever your project are located. So I have given the link in the description guys of the full source code of the script. Basically Kivy, if you don't know about Kivy guys, basically it's a framework for Python for building desktop application cross-platform. So for this you need to install Kivy, pip install Kivy, PILLOW. Pillow library is also required to run this project. So these two libraries are required. So once you have installed these two dependencies, you are ready to run this app. So basically if you type Kivy here, you will see that it is similar to Twickenter, PY, Qt5, Pygame, PySlide. So all these frameworks are similar. So basically it allows you to write cross-platform desktop apps for. It can even be used to develop mobile applications as well. So I developed this script. Basically I no longer want to use sites on online to basically fetch thumbnails. So it's a very handy desktop app that you can run. Basically just need to provide the URL of the video, and then basically what you can do, you can save this thumbnail for editing purposes or anything. Just paste it here, click display thumbnails. So you can see that. So this is the way by which you can do this. So the link is given in the description. Thank you very much for watching this video.